Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel. And hey, we are Wednesday. I said Tuesday. Wednesday, March 13th, 2019. And on this Wednesday, well, there's something interesting here. There's, of course, on the insider side of things, yesterday a insider build was released. And that insider build actually has one interesting change. No watermark on the bottom right. And if you look at the About Windows screen that you have here, it says that it's version 1903. That's the April 2019 update. And it is build 18356. So this is the first of a series of candidates, because I don't think this is the official one. There's still some bugs, but it's one of the first of the official candidates for RTM, or for what is going to be officially the April 2019 update. So it's a new milestone here, because now for the first time we're getting something that is stated to be the official release. That means we're close. That means in a week or two, insiders will get the April 2019 update. Then, of course, it will start rolling out in April. And my review is, of course, going to arrive quite soon, maybe only a week from now. So this is quite interesting on the side of insider builds, and especially for all the regular viewers out there, those that are not insiders and are wondering when the next version is coming. Well, this is actually telling us that it's coming sooner than later, as we already have one major change in the build number, and the version numbers changed. Also, there's something interesting that was mentioned yesterday, and we're not sure exactly if it's implemented in here or not. A lot of people have been complaining, and it's normal. You know, in Windows 10, the automatic updates are there. You can't stop them, really. And a lot of people are a little, nuts, because they have problems. Some people have problems with the updates, and they're wondering what to do. And if you uninstall an update, then, it comes back like, almost immediately. Well, one of the big new things that they've talked about, and Microsoft doesn't give a lot of details. It seems that there would be, in this new version of Windows, a feature that when you do a Windows update, and when that update breaks something in your PC, maybe your PC doesn't start, maybe something else, and you've used a troubleshooter, it will uninstall the update automatically. It apparently will detect that something's not right. And when it does that, it will actually block that update for 30 days. So we're not sure if it's implemented or not. It's something that's on a page in the Microsoft website, very, very deeply embedded, where you can't even search almost for the page. It's very weird, but apparently there would be this type of technology. Now, like I said, it's not clear. Is this going to be part of this new version of Windows? Let's hope so, and I think a lot of you would like that. So, and I think it's not a bad idea. Actually, I would maybe do another change to that. It says 30 days. Why not flag it as, well, this update breaks the machine. Let's not do it for now. And maybe wait till the next update. Now, of course, when it's security updates, it's a little delicate, but hey, we'll be checking that out. Hopefully, it's going to be part of what's coming soon. So one milestone reached. We are now officially in the insider builds at a very, very close to what is RTM in version 1903 of Windows 10, April 2019 update. If you enjoy videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.